All right, everyone, here we are, day 2 of the process writing. So you've clicked on your process writing folder. You scroll down to Tuesday, April 21st, attendance and directions. First thing you need to do is say here in attendance. You need to view the video that's attached. Here's the video right here. It is me sharing some information about today's assignment. So you'll want to click on that. On your planner document assignment, you're going to complete day 2, the rationale and prerequisite skills, step 3 and 4. So when you open that document, here is what you will see. Day 2, Tuesday, April 21st, step 3, rationale. A rationale is your reason why you are doing something. In this step, you will explain to your audience why it is in their best interest to learn what you have to offer them. Use the second person. That means you can speak to them directly saying you. You can also use your personal pronouns for me and I while you're explaining why they should learn this. Why is this a good thing? Notice that it says 4 to 6 good sentences. So let's make sure that we're doing that we have 4 to 6 really good sentences for your rationale. Step 4 for today is a further audience analysis. You are going to think a little bit more deeply about your audience. What do they need to know before beginning to learn what you have to teach them? For example, if you want to teach a bicycle kick, your audience should probably know how to kick a soccer ball. Shouldn't say a bicycle kick. It should say a soccer ball kick. So they should already know how to kick a soccer ball. What are some prerequisite skills that your audience must have? Prerequisite is a thing that is required to happen or exist before something else can happen or exist. So, for example, if I'm doing my grilled cheese sandwich, a prerequisite skill might be that the person understands how to operate the stove safely. That might be a prerequisite skill. You need to list 3 to 4 prerequisite skills. You are writing in complete sentences, so you're starting each of these sentences with my audience must, right? So you could just copy and paste that there and get rid of those quotation marks and type in what must your audience know how to do. That's what needs to go there. All right, and let's go ahead and fix this. There we are. Once you have finished steps 3 and 4, you are done for today. All right, steps 3 and 4, that is it, because day 3 is next. So you have finished your rationale, 4 to 6 good sentences. You have completed 3 or 4 prerequisite skills, and you wrote them in complete sentences, starting with my audience must. If you are using your student agenda and checking things off, then this is what you've checked off for today, step 3 and 4. Way to go.